Today I'm going to be showing you a beer sleeve that was sent to me by Kemi Moto. I did not pay $1 for this. It was sent to me to review and to show you guys. It's pretty cool. It's kind of long. You could put quite a few cans in here, 16-ounce cans or 12-ounce cans. And all you do is unzip it and you fill in the space with your drink of choice. My drink of choice is water, but you could use this for alcoholic beverages. You could use it also for sodas or whatever comes in a can. So all you do, there's two zippers. If you go all the way down with this zipper, you're gonna close it up, and you can also access it, open it up from the opposite side, as you can see. So the zippers allow you to fully open this whole section, and it allows you to fill this in with your drink of choice. What I'm going to show you is how many cans I can fit, and then we'll determine whether it's good or not. Seems pretty insulated. The material itself actually feels pretty nice. And then once you fill it up, you have this little strap that allows you to just put it on your shoulder, and you could just walk around with it. If you're going to the park, the beach, or wherever you're going, it allows you to carry it with you. This is also ideal if you are somebody who likes to golf or anything like that. You can take this with you. It's really easy to carry. You don't have this big, bulky cooler you're carrying. You just carry this little sleeve, put it on your shoulder, and you're good to go. So let me go ahead and show you how to go ahead and put this stuff in here, and we go from there. All right, so this is the Kemi Moto beer sleeve, they call it, but you could put anything else in here. So I'm just gonna put some random cans of soda I found in my pantry, and I'll show you how many fit. So you just put this first one in here. This opening is pretty wide. Sorry, I can't get the full length of it because my tripod's not that high. Then you put another can, so that's can number 2. This is not being sponsored, but if Dr. Pepper wants to sponsor me, I'll give you my phone number, my bank account information, and I'll be happy to assist you in that. So we got 4 right now. 5, I'll just push that towards the top. 6, so we got 2, 4, 6. We have 6 cans in here. Pay attention to how you do this, because the first time I did it, I didn't push a can forward to go into this gap there or into the space. So I kind of forced it in there, and a can opened up and I made a mess. But you got 6 cans in here. These are 12-ounce cans. But you could also put 16-ounce cans. Obviously, you could put a few 16-ounce cans and a couple 12-ounce. And then all you do is just zip it back up, and that's it. It's like a tube. It's like a cylinder. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how it looks on my shoulder. This is how it looks when it's full. Got the strap. Put over your shoulder and just walk around with it. Calvin Klein, any of you guys, if you want me to be a model for you, I'll give you my information as well. I'm open to making money. So the positive thing about this, you take this, put it over your shoulder, go for a walk, go on your golf cart, go play golf, go anywhere, and it's really easy to carry. And then it allows you to still have your hands available to be able to carry other things if you have other things to carry. So I like this. It's something I would use. I don't really drink soda, but I would probably fill it in with some bottles of water. I'm sure it works perfect with bottles of water. Obviously it works with alcoholic beverages if you like to drink beer. Soda, teas, whatever would fit in here. Just use your imagination on whatever fits in here. If you guys like what you see, I'll leave a link in the description for you guys to just easily click on it and go ahead and order it. The link would be for an Amazon affiliate link, so if you do purchase through that link, I do get some type of reward for it, very small reward, but at least I get something for it. So thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments. Stay tuned for the next video, and we'll see what I'm gonna review or what project I'll be working on next. Thanks for watching. Some highlights about the Kemi Moto golf beer sleeve cooler bag. You could put 6 cans, adjustable shoulder strap, dual zippers, and keeps drink cold for 4 hours. It's leak proof and it fits most golf bags. The Kemi Moto beer sleeve features great insulation and a durable PVC lining, ensuring your drink stays cold 4 hours on the golf course or anywhere you take it. It's made from tough 500D fabric. The golf beer bag is both waterproof and easy to clean. Enjoy long-lasting performance without worrying about seam tears. It has a large capacity for drinks and ice. Measuring 75 centimeters in length and 8 centimeters in diameter, this insulated cooler sleeve can hold up to 6 standard size cans or 4 claw size cans. The partial zipper design allows extra space for ice and condensation, keeping your drinks cold throughout a full round of golf. It has a convenient double end zipper equipped with heavy duty double ended zippers. The golfing beer sleeve allows you to easily access the drinks even when easily stored in your golf bag. Specifically designed for golfers, Kemi Moto drink sleeve fits perfectly inside pockets of most golf bags. Also perfect for camping, fishing, biking, picnicking, or enjoying cold drinks wherever you go. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments and I'll answer those questions for you. Once again, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more.